who is this stupid God? Stupido talaga itong putang kung ganun. You created something perfect, and then you think of an event that would tempt and destroy the quality of your work. How can you rationalize a God? Maniwala. Oh, ikaw, maniwala ka? Kaya nga sabi ko siya, maniwala niyang. So tayo ngayon, all of us are born with an original sin. Ang original sin, ano man yan? Was it the first kiss? O what was the seed? Bakit original? Nasa womb ka pa, may kasalanan ka na. Tsuktsak mo lang yun ng nanay pati tatay mo, wala ka bang kasali? Tapos ngayon may original sin ka,